Concentric relations are often needed between things like arcs and holes, or circles and circles. So I'm going to demonstrate an arc to circle relation here. So first I'm going to just sketch up a shape, do 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. And then I'll put like a hole in the center here. But first, I can do this first or second. It actually is easy right now, of course, to set this circle here because we can see the center point, right? And if we thought, well, we can't, let's say we missed, we could put it here and we could pick this arc and say they're concentric, and that would drive it in. Another way is we could pick this point in this arc and we could say they're concentric. Oops, missed the button. Concentric. Another way would be we could just pick this point and this point and say coincident. So there's a lot of ways when we're in a sketch to do it. The quickest is probably just to start on that point and make sure, or do a drag and drop to it like that. This way, when we put the size on it, it's going to be fully defined. And it's the wrong dimensioning style. So let me fix that. Go in here to my tools, options, document properties, make sure. Oh, this is a computer that's got some setup problems. So let's see if I can quickly fix that. Diameter, linear. That'll cover it. Okay. So there we've got a fully defined. Now let's delete that hole though, and let's try it in extrude this, and let's try it from a 3D perspective where we don't get to see the center point in there. So this time we're going to pick the face, start to do a new hole. What we're going to do is we're going to try to put the hole in there right at this correct location, and we missed. So is it a big deal? Not really, because we can pick this edge of the hole that we're going to, or our sketched circle that we're going to use, and we can pick this other arc and say concentric. Of course, there's other ways. I'll undo that. We can pick this point in this arc and say concentric. And again, of course, there's other ways. We can take this center point and hover over the edge, and it does what we call waking up the center. And if you see it wake it up there, then when we come over there, it will find that lock position. And then that's all we need to do. Waking up the center is the best, the quickest method for us to do that. And I'll do a cut. Just through there. Okay, so let's roll that back and pretend that didn't happen. Let's do it one more time. This time I'll start a new sketch on that face, go to my circle, and right away I'm going to wake up the surface with my circle command on. I'm going to hover, and Solidworks thinks I'm looking for a place to put it down, so it guesses this arc, but it also suggests by waking up the center. So I can come over here, hit that, and draw this, pop in my dimension there. That's it. Nice, easy way to work with arcs and getting them centered and things of that nature. So I hope that helps with concentric relations.